Sawadika. Welcome to Dell Enterprise Forum.
Mr. Natapong Sritawarat, Advisor to the Minister of Information Technology and Communication Ministry. Distinguished guests, participants, ladies and gentlemen, it is my great pleasure today to welcome all of you here from more than 20 countries to the Kingdom of Thailand.
Okay, based on my research, internal research, we divided into industry at the moment, telco and IT. This is divided into 50%. Each of them will grow by 10% each year. That is nominal growth, but in terms of projection, what the prediction is will grow more than 10%. Since Thailand have launched the full stream of 3G in this year and next year we will full stream. So I think the growth for industry will go at that level of 5 up to 10%.
I think Dell's number one in servers in Asia Pacific and Japan for two key reasons. First and foremost, it's really listening to our customers. Understanding our customers' needs better enables us to better meet those needs. Things like fresh air cooling, things like agentless management, improved density, improved manageability, remote manageability. All of those things are what customers tell us they need, and we've done a great job meeting those needs. I think the second big factor is all we do is x86. For our entire history, Dell's been committed to open architectures and standardized compute. As a result of that, we only focus on x86. And when all you do is one thing, you can do it better than anybody else on the planet. You can see that in terms of our time to market advantage. You see that in terms of the breadth of the portfolio. And ultimately, you also see that in terms of the capabilities we're able to bring to the marketplace. So for those two reasons, Dell continues a lot of momentum in the server business, and it's why we're number one yet again in Asia Pacific and Japan.
Well, I'm really excited to share about one of our new innovations, the Vertex, which we launched last month. And the Vertex really, as the name Vertex says, it's a convergence of several products. So if you look at the server, storage, and networking, it's converged into a single form factor chassis, which actually sits at the customer, which is easy plug and play. If you look at the Vertex, it's solving several pain points from the customer. Now, if you look at an SMB or a branch office, they typically have anywhere between 2 to 3 servers. Now, 2 to 3 servers, storage, a number of peripherals around it, but the Vertex actually consolidates that entire into a small chassis, which really brings in a lot of value to the customer and solves their pain point. Over and above that, it also has a single management across all the servers, storage, and networking. And it's really focused into these segments with huge value to these customers.
Yeah, actually this is one of the great events that our customer, our channel partner can learn a lot from the technology standpoint and how can they manage the end-to-end solution using Dell's portfolio. And we have done this successfully in the other country like in Paris, London, in Boston, and last but not least is San Jose. This is the first time ever that we bring this event closer to our customer in Asia, and we are excited that the first ever we are doing here in the Kingdom of Thailand.
Well, it's great to be here in Bangkok. This is the first Dell Enterprise Forum we've done here. We've done them in the US a couple times. We've also done them in EMEA and other places within the region, but it's great to be here in Bangkok. The turnout's been great. I think we've had 350 end user customers, 150 channel partners, so it's exactly what we were looking for.
Yeah, and I think that the turnout's great. The knowledge in the region is very high. Was very impressed with all of the great questions we got, all of the interest that we got on our enterprise solutions, and it's just been a fabulous time.
Well, this morning, Travis and I were able to give the technology keynote. So we were talking a lot about our scaling technology and how we optimize our technology for customers. And so we really have a full portfolio. We have the Compellent line, the EqualLogic line, and the PowerVault line. And we talked a little bit about where that's going in the future. And really, we see a lot of the needs in APJ are very consistent with what we see worldwide.
And I think that one of the things that's maybe a little bit different here than the rest of the world is just the growth that the region is experiencing. And so the technologies we talked about in the keynote today, flash technology, the scalable design, tiering technology, it's something that we really believe that APJ customers should be looking at to scale as they scale.
So first of all, when I came into the event, right, as a partner, I looking the first thing is about the number of audience that came in. Now I'm very happy because of the big crowded. The house is very full, and for the showcase, for the solution that you bring to the end user and to the customers, very wonderful. So I think congratulations to your event that I think is very successful today. Yes, as I presented on the stage, Intel gonna launch the Intel Xeon E5 2600 version 2 pretty soon, and we will launch with Dell as well. So that the Xeon CPU that we're gonna bring out within this year, and then we also have the networking product and storage and also software that we will optimize this together. Beyond that, I think we will have another more exciting CPU in the future as well.